You like them?
Yes, I love them.
Hey.
They're so sparkly.
I figured you would. Those didn't come from Old Navy, but I got a better price than Old Navy.
They're so cute though. They're cute. They're so
Where's the basketball kit?
Can I open up this one? Look.
Ellie, no, no.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
You can get her started on a present.
Oh, these are adorable.
Here.
It's for your room.
Oh, thank you.
Open it up.
Cute. And they're pretty.
Get his 2 hands, Ellie.
She doesn't know, honey.
Ellie.
Ellie, look! 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 What's in here?
This one now.
Alright, hold on just a second. Because I can't get both of y'all on film. Ellie.
What is it?
Dolly.
Ellie, come open your presents.